Liqui Moly Molygen. If I don't like this, I will not be going ahead with the full 10k intervals with this oil. I will change to Liqui Moly most probably. And yes, I did not like the VW508 0W20 oil, and hence I am switching back to Liqui Moly Molygen 5W40. Let's see how it goes. So guys, you can see this engine oil temperature. I have actually used the OBD scanner today just to demonstrate you. The engine oil temperature is 95 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for changing the engine oil. And whenever you add flush to this temperature, it will perform its best. So guys, this is the Liqui Moly engine flush, and this is 300 ml of flush. So the engine is at right temperature now. What I will do is I will open the engine fluid plug and add the flush. Open the cap. Just shake this up, and then you need to press on this and open this up. And this is how it looks from the inside. As you can see, it's a clear liquid. So let me add it to the engine oil. This is engine flush plus. There is a pro line version as well, which is very strong. You would want to use it when you really want to clean the sludge and all. So if you can see here, it says run the engine for like 5 to 10 minutes. Exactly what I'm gonna do. Quick tip guys, don't drive with engine flush inside. It is meant for idling only, because lubrication is reduced during this process. Hence, just idle it and drain it out. So this was the engine oil that I had put in my last service just to try out how the engine will fare on this. And this is what I am putting in the engine right now, the Liqui Moly 5W40 Molygen. I have used this oil before as well, around 22,000 kilometers, and it had performed flawlessly. And this is the OEM oil filter. So I ran the car for like 10 minutes, and it has been resting for another 3-4 minutes now, and it is the right time to drain the oil. So the oil is nearly at the end. I will let it continue for another 10-15 minutes. So this is what came out after around 6,000 kilometers. You can see it's already quite dark. But in this case, that's actually expected, since I had also used an engine flush. So it's cleaning out leftover deposits from inside the engine, and that makes the oil darken much faster. So darker oil here doesn't mean it's bad. It actually means that it is actually doing its job, cleaning out the deposits. New crush washer with the old engine drain bolt. Alright guys, now I have tightened up the drain plug as well as the oil filter. It is time to fill the green goblin, or the green engine oil. Oh, the earlier one was also green, but this is more darker green, more like fluorescent sort of thing. Before filling this, let me clean the area, remove the dipstick, give this a clean wipe. A lot of people ask why I clean so much. I just prefer working clean. Even if it gets dirty again, it just feels better. One new thing that I got is this oil filling funnel. So this is specifically designed for VW Škoda type caps, specifically this kind of cap. So this comes out like this. The cap goes on here, and then you have this funnel which you can place it on the top. The oil, and it has got a special cap opening here. You see, the oil is green here. Now let me open this up. and as like other Liqui Moly products, it has got this opening. So let me now fill the oil. Guys, this is the green goodness, green god oil that I am filling in. One interesting thing about this oil, that green color isn't just for looks. It actually helps detect oil leaks under UV light. So it's functional and not just cosmetic. Let us check how much oil is remaining. They are still significant. So I have filled like more than 3.5 liters. So as you all know, after 3.5 liters, I usually start the engine, wait for the oil to circulate, and then fill based on the needs. Because overfilling is not what you should be doing. I had cleaned the cap as well. One thing guys you should notice is if your cap has got visible dirt or debris, that means your engine oil is coking or there is some dirt in your system. So keep a check on your cap as well. Put this back, put the dipstick back. So now I will idle the car and then I will take it for a drive. After that I will add more oil if required. You might need headphones to notice this properly. So this is the engine with the previous oil. This is a cold start. Just listen to the idle for a few seconds. Now this is after switching to the Liqui Moly Molygen. There is a slight difference in how the engine sounds. It feels a bit more damp and smoother at idle. Now let's check the same once the engine is warmed up. This is with the previous oil after reaching operating temperature. And this is with the new oil fully warmed up. Here the difference is much more subtle, but the engine still feels a bit more refined overall. It's not a night and day change, but there is a noticeable improvement in smoothness, especially at idle. Now, after driving the car for a while, this is what I have noticed. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, there is a slight improvement in overall smoothness. The engine feels a bit more damp and refined during regular driving. However, there is a small trade-off. On cold starts, the engine doesn't feel as smooth as it did with the 0W20 oil. It takes a bit more time to settle down. And overall, this 5W40 oil also takes slightly longer to warm up compared to the previous oil. So it's not a straight upgrade, it's more of a different behavior depending on your conditions. I have used this oil before and I am switching back to it mainly for the smoothness and refinement I had noticed earlier. This time I will be comparing it properly with the other oils I have used. Mobil 1 0W40, VW 0W20 and now this Liqui Moly 5W40 Molygen to see how they differ in real world driving conditions. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned. And if this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.